Hey everybody, my name is Sethu Raman and this is one of many videos where we discuss, explain and talk about Web3 stuff. In this video, we'll be explaining how blockchain uses the hash values in order to achieve immutability. So generally, the header part of a block stores two different hash values. They are the current hash value and the previous hash value. The current hash value is essentially the value that gets generated from hashing all the details stored within a particular block header. Now, among those details, we also include the other hash value, aka the previous hash. You see, the previous hash value is actually the current hash of the previous block that is passed on to the newly added block and gets stored in its header. This means that the current hash of a block is made using the hash of the previous block, thereby linking the two blocks. This linkage can be traced all the way back to the very first block or the genesis block. A cool feature about this linkage is that if one of the blocks in the blockchain gets modified in any way, it changes the current hash of that particular block and the previous hash of the next block. A change in the previous hash of the next block affects its current hash, and this snowballs into a situation where if a change is made to any of the blocks in the blockchain, you would have to rebuild all the other blocks starting from the one that you have changed. And let me tell you, it is not that easy. So we can say that once a data gets added to a block and a couple of blocks gets linked to it, it is practically impossible to modify your data, meaning that your data is now immutable. Got it? Great. See you in the next one.